Hey, my name's Jesse. You're wondering how to work online from home and to get paid. You could choose to do data entry jobs and all this other boring stuff where you get paid somewhat. I don't know, like $10 an hour tops, maybe seven, or I honestly don't know because they always seem like a scam. They're always boring. You're putting, a big old pile of data into another pool so that they can use it for something. Or you can go on to the description underneath, watch a video on Tai Lopez's blueprint for e-commerce and decide if something like that would be better for you. Tons of people try e-commerce stores from YouTube tutorials and fail, or you can find someone that's actually been successful with e-commerce, with Amazon, and all these other different aspects of e-commerce online and build one based off of them. They teach you how to go through and choose what type of niche you want to do, what type of product. If you want to do Amazon white label. If you want to do Shopify, if you want to do a drop shipping program, it actually goes through it all. I've looked into e-commerce before from other places, and I think one of them I did was either Udemy or something like that. The amount of data in them that teaches you something true is very little. You only learn a few things, and I tried it back when I first did it in 2017, I want to say, from Udemy, and I failed miserably. With Tai's course, you have, I want to say it's like 4 different people teaching you their perspective on it. So you have a lot higher chance of actually making your business run well faster because they teach you how to choose everything. They teach you how to build the bank account, how to separate things, how to go through and choose your products and make it so that you can make money online versus, giving you a little bit of the information and then just making you flounder. So go into the description, go watch the video, see if it's right for you. But most of it, it's very little bit of investment. If you're doing drop shipping, you have to pay for your Shopify and then the Dropify. But it's really worth it because, if you set up an account and you're only making an extra $1,000 a month or something because you're not doing paid ads, you're doing the social media way to gain people slower and use the other aspects of social media like YouTube to get people to your store. You can do stuff that's unpaid. It's slower, but you can still get people there and make extra money every month as long as you're doing things right. So go to the link in the bio.